already. Guys, got a request to react to Diana. I don't know what the rest is, but make sure you watch the whole video. Give your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. We'd like to hear from you. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, like and share. Let's get straight to it. The hell's going on with the...
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. У меня
Already, wow,
сходит с ума.
already.
И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
Come on, wow. Wow, just let me know in the comment section down below, how old is she there, and is this a competition? Because it looks like The Voice, you know, where they press the bell and, you know, ring the buzzer, and they turn around and pick them and stuff. Because she's got an incredible voice. We already know she's mature for her age, you know, like her voice control, you know, like her vocal controls on point, you know what I mean, and she sounds so mature for her age. It's just mad. In a good way. Make sure you go and support her as well.
Не уснуть в доме пустом. Тихо, саваном белым, вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной.
That's it, man.
Где-то там, в тишине, ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там, не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
Wow, you know what? I don't blame them pressing the buzzer so early in this competition. Her voice just, it's mind blowing, you know what I mean? It's just mind blowing. And make sure you go and support it. It's been ages I've reacted to it. Like, it feels so long, and I'm so happy someone requested this song to me.
Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там, не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым, вьюга.
So you can feel the song. Let's just go back a bit. So yeah, so you can feel the song, you can tell. Wow. You know what? It is the voice. Oh, wait there. Something just happened. It is the voice actually, it looks like, because they got the mic on it. But make sure you go and support Diana and subscribe to their channel. And if you've got any more requests, leave in the comment section down below. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, like and share. She smashed the performance. Until next time, see you again.